amazing people! So, let's finish up our fractions with one last session because many of us are already working with the fractions, so first three might not be that evident, that useful. So now I want to make you note down some very important common mistake which everyone makes while doing the fraction part. Okay, so the first mistake which we guys make while adding the fraction, let's say you have one number, a fraction number like 1 by 2, and you're adding that with the 3. Okay, now generally what we tend to write, we write it as 1 plus 3 by 2. Very wrong. A big cross on this. It's not that. It's again, you have to consider 3 by 1. 1 by 2 plus 3, you will take that 3 single number as 3 by 1. Now 1 and 2 LCM, that 1 in denominator of 3 and 2 in denominator of 2, LCM will be definitely 2. Okay, now you write down 2 in the denominator. Now obviously 2 divided by 2 from in the first denominator will give you 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So you will write 1, then plus, because we're adding them again. Now divide 2 with 1 simply. So 1 divided by 2 will give you 2. Now you go take this 2, multiply that with the 3. You get 6. Now you will write in the numerator of your resultant 1 plus 6. And in the denominator we already have 2. Okay, so our answer will be 7 by 2. This is how we do these questions. Very important. This is a very small, tiny, little example which mistakes we generally do. Now students, the second type of mistake, I'll show you what we have written. Not directly adding the fractions, after addition of the fractions. Now one of the biggest mistake everybody tends to mistake is, let's say we have written 7 plus 9 by 7. 7 plus 9 by 7. What do you write? What do you do, everyone? You cancel 7 with 7. No, that's not possible. That is only applicable in the case of multiplication. 7 plus 9, that function will be carried out first, that calculation. So 7 plus 9, you will write it 16 in the numerator divided by 7. You cannot cancel 7 with 7. This is the one of the biggest common mistake which I have seen starting from a very little kid to a very aged guys and very aged people. So these are the two very little common mistakes which we did while doing the fractions. I hope all these things help you out in improving your calculations part, because this is the most common mistake, the most common problem which we make while attempting our questions. Okay, even if you're working with algebraics now, same thing, same rules will be applicable. Apart from the numbers this time, algebra is present, like you have 1a by b plus b, c by d. So you take the LCM of a denominator which is b and d in this case, the LCM will be b into d. Now you bd, divide that with b, you get d, d multiplied with the ad. So you'll write in the answer numerator ad plus, now bd, divide that with d, you get b, b multiplied with c, cb. So we get AD plus CB by BD. That is our resultant fraction. So don't make these tiny little mistakes. Okay, and you cannot cancel the numbers. No, if you have A plus B by A, the A and A cannot be cancelled, students. It's A plus B whole. They'll be solved first and then you write that in the fraction. Be careful about this. And I hope this helps you a lot. Bye guys!